Bumili akong terador guys sa Walmart. Titiradorin ko yung mga kuniho na yan na rabbit. Ay. Let's see.
Holding the chails.
Where this come from? Saan to galing Ate Sol? Kaya, and what about these woods?
That wasn't open.
Huh? Oh, someone play dart here?
Somebody probably came by.
Came by and what? Bring this?
No. Probably some random people just because.
Wow. Good. Yeah, don't use the straw. Crazy. Dito pa. My spinach are actually germinated. See? These are my spinach. Oh my goodness. What is in here? Small ones. There are a whole bunch of stuff in here. This like tomatoes. Well, looks like the grapes we are going to have grapes in the fall. See? Got grapes coming. Daddy, we go have grapes already, but this got murdered by a deer, so looks like there's no grapes in here. Yeah, maybe next time. But this one, get grapes. Dahil sunny, it's time to work in the yard. And guys, this is the before. Dito sa outside gate namin, outside fence. Ayan. Kakakat ko lang dito ng grass eh. And I am trying to plant some, ano ba tawag dito? Lavender along this fence, and we will see the outcome later. And last night, ayan yung I worked on this last night. And guys, up to 9:30 dahil maliwanag pa naman. And let's see, ito yung mga ninakaw ko na mga perennial flowers kay Ate Sol. Ayan guys. So ayan, dito yan. Ayan guys, ang daming bato. Make use of the bato-bato dahil marami tayo sa yard. Kaya ganyan patsi-patsi dahil kinalkal ko yung mga bato dyan eh. And ayan lang. So I got those Irish lilies from Ate Sol. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ate Sol. And ayan yung parang bawang. Purple bawang, ganyan lang. So ayan, napaka-rough pa rin dito. But yeah, ayan din, I work on that. I need to plant some little flowers in there too. And that's the cherry tree. And yeah, later clean up. Go back to work na muna. Ayan. Tapos mamayang hapon siguro dito naman. At saka nagkat lang ako ng grass. And there's naka 2-hour yard work time. And let's see the after. Half of the of the fence I planted, but yeah. Ayan na. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan yung after. Diba? Pero dito hindi pa. Dito wala pa. Dito lang. Kaya laka-laka lang para tipid. Karadong lay Sa nga ka plums guys, okay. Tamaan ka bugat man oh, karasuli oh. Ayan guys. Ay, hasta sa lupa oh. Ay, karabuyok. Rako-rako bunga. Nagapadayaw dito mo oh. Gatungli padalan. Ibugat oh. Full of fruits.